Alright, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt or mug mockup without using any other tool. You can use a free pick AI. So just type on it the search bar in the free pick, or you can type in Google or any search engine the free pick. So once you get on it, you will see this site. So what you need to do, just click on it to sign in. So you can sign in giving your any email addresses directly from here, or you can sign it from here using your Gmail. So I'm gonna click on it here to continue with the Google. Once you log in, you will get 20 free credit today every day, so that you can use to generate 20 images. For each credit will take for one image. So basically it's an image generator, but I'm going to show you how you can generate a mockup for your product. So I'm going to click here to image generator, but you can see there are a number of other tools also available. You can visit that and check that. So once you enter, these are the previous photos what I generated. So this is a credit. You can see here the 20 credit per day I already received. So you need to focus a few things. In the bottom you can see how many number of images you need to generate. If you put on more, so more credit will be vanished, because first you try one and then see which is good, or you have to update it, maybe your prompt, or adjust it a little bit your prompt. And also the size, you can make a portrait and all the sizes in here. So basically I would like to use for 9:16 for social story size, because I'm posting this as a Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, for those social media platforms. Because of that I'm using that specific size. You can change it the size as well. So the style, actually in the free version you cannot do much things, but some of them are open it here. If you see this crown mark, that is for the premium package. If you purchase this for 1 month for premium, so then you can get on it. You can unlock this all, which is with the crown marks, something like that. So then I'm gonna using first for this photo version. Effect I keep as a default. Actually I don't add any effect. You can put on it one of that. My experience with this tool is better you don't add any effect. Characters actually cannot use it at the moment because it's all available in a premium. And objects, you can select one of the object, but these all are going with the premium packages. And the color, you can change which color, which standard style you need to come on it. So the mood, actually I'm gonna click on default it, that's flex mood. So basically take 2 credit. So if you go with the classic, so here with the classic one they take only 1 credit. So I'm gonna moving with default. This is my prompt: Italy collagen in the mug and generate mug mockup. So let's see how it's generating. So I'm putting 1 and click on it to generate. Once I click on generate, within a few seconds you will see it start to generate. It's really fast than any other AI tool, which is you can compare it with others, and the quality always going with a good one. And this is the design what it generated. Looks not bad. So if you're not satisfying, you can use another credit here. Now see 19 credits is left, so I can use another one. So I'm not going to change any. This more looks nicer, and the picture quality also pretty good. So if you like, you can upscale, but that's you need to upgrade your package to the premium. So in this way you can generate multiple designs, and I'm satisfying these on that. So you can generate and upload these all to your social media platforms, and you can do advertising campaign use of these. But in this way, hope this video helpful for you. So thank you for watching. See you next video.